little princesses. So let's hop over today's trade breakdown, which is very simple. Okay, so today I thought of something, or in this case, Tuesday made the high of the week and the low of the week in Dixie, which isn't quite nice as mentioned. Wednesday then induced higher, and being a regular displacement day here. And Thursday right now isn't capping off the week. Okay, we are closing bearish below previous day and also below previous week, but we have sequential SMT in Dixie, so we could expect not so much volatility tomorrow, maybe something like this, or maybe we only come inside of this wick here. But what I want to see is definitely a wick below this here and then an inducement higher. Okay, so for Friday we also got a lot of news. So we have big news events here at 9:15 and 9:30. So personally I think the first news will push market lower, maybe, or even higher, whatever Asia is doing. Okay, higher, somewhere in between here, and then maybe we push lower, and depending on the candle close we can also get, if we look in the weekly, a nice turtle soup candle if we come up higher. Dixie right now is forming a turtle soup. Okay, Dixie already formed a nice turtle soup. We just need to close bearish below this wick. EU needs to come a little bit higher. That would be quite nice here. But for the day, tomorrow, we just expect nice closing. Okay, we have open, we have a high, we have push down, and maybe Friday closing off. Okay, that would be quite nice. I don't know if this happens. If not, then well, it happens. And today we got a very clean 1 AM model for sells, which I didn't took. And we also have a nice 3 AM model for re-entry possibilities with Kiss of Death. And the main thing that we have here is the 9 AM model continuing lower, because if you look at this here, you have the 5 AM candle, which was just consolidating. I personally thought that we will wick below and close something like this, which we then didn't do. We did the exact opposite. The thing was, this risk reward was so not nice, in friendly words, or shit, that I didn't took it, because this inducement was the reason of this, or needed to be candle close, and this is a negative risk reward if you enter after this candle close, which you could even target these lows here, okay, or this low here, which I did. I targeted this here, but that's still, sorry, I think I targeted previous week low, so this here, which is still just a 1-to-1. I personally thought of entering somewhere in between here already, and that would have been a very nice 1-to-3 something. But the thing is, we did not have a CISD, and I only wait and always wait for a CISD. And also in Dixie there was nothing, or in this case no CISD. It would have occurred above here. The only relevant thing that you could have traded is the 2-minute time frame, where you see, and this is literally perfect, the low which grabs the swing high, and yes, this is a swing high, gets candle closed. You also have a nice fair value gap, you have an order block, you have a breaker block. You could have entered immediately after this or wait for retracement, and this entry here was gorgeous. You would have gotten a nice 1-to-2, 1-to-1.3, okay, at 50% already here, a 1-to-3 at this low. And then if you target previous week low, or you let it be a runner, because you know one day cannot form the high and the low of the day, simply wait for New York to close. It could have also been a 1-to-8. Or if you just look at this here, previous week low, it would have been a very nice 1-to-3, 1-to-4. This could have been the trade of the week. Sadly, I did not manage to grab it because I only and always wait for a 5-minute CISD. But you have my forecast, you have my back test of today. That's simple it. Enjoy and let's see what today brings us.